Welcome back. You want to see how I get back at somebody? Well, in this video, you're going to see it because I got back at this guy. Somebody pulled some shenanigans and I was able to get even for once. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Just when I think it can't get any better, I've got one that can kind of top it all at the moment. I just noticed the light wasn't on. Somebody had something plugged into it, and I'll show you the lights. We're gonna see what's going on here. Okay. What are you gonna do, buddy? He's getting his stuff ready. All right. Look at this, he's gonna do something. I think he's up to something. Oh, what's he gonna do? What's he doing? Oh, that's why the light was unplugged. Oh, he plugged something in. Oh, that's too sweet, look at that. Now he did that at 12 o'clock today. And here I am finding it. All right, oh, here I am. I noticed something here in a minute. So I fix the machine. So while fixing machines, like I said, there we go, we're fixing it, we're getting it done. Nope. See me look up? Did you see that? Did you see me look up? I don't know if you probably can't see me there, but I looked up, I go, what in the hell is wrong with that light? I'm sitting over there working on this machine going, something's wrong. See, look, see, did you see me look at it? Oh, here I come. Oh, sucky, sucky, look at this. I unplugged something. Oh, this is sweet. It's like golden treasure. Oh, the light actually works. You see I got something in my hand? Look at that. Alright, I'm going to show you what it is now. I'm going to quit messing with you. Alright, I'm going to quit. I'm not going to leave you in suspense anymore. The guy put his phone up there at 12 o'clock. He's going to charge it all day. So Keenan got his phone. Now he walked by a few minutes ago. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my pocket. I'm gonna take it home and probably smash the damn thing. Maybe that'll teach him a lesson, huh? All right. I just figured to get a kick out of that. Like I said, there's always something. I need to get these locks on this place. I need to make it more bulletproof. Tired of dealing with these people. It gets old after a while. All right, I'm waiting for a customer to get their stuff. I'm at my newest laundromat. I was gonna finish the questions I had from this viewer. And he asked me, how many machines do you have? Well, most of my laundromats have around 30 machines. Do you have an equal number of washers or dryers? For the most part, yes. I try to have one pocket door for every washer I have. So if I have 20 washers, I try to have 20 pockets. So if I have 10 stacks, that would be good. Or you try to have bigger dryers, like the 75 or 55 pounders, which count as like 2 dryers. And then you try to have like 6 or 7 or 8, 9 of those. What is the size of your building you operate in? Most of my buildings are between 1,200 and 2,400 square feet. This newest one's like 2,400 square feet. It's a little overkill. What brand of machines do you use? Anything Alliance Laundry. Anything Alliance Laundry makes. And you can look up on their website and I'll show you all the brands. What mistakes have you made that you would do differently if you were to do it over again? One, I wouldn't build a laundromat from scratch. I'd always buy existing laundromats in good areas on a busy street and rehab them. That's what I'd do. That's one mistake. Second mistake is, and I told you in other videos, buying the apartment building when I first got out of college and live in one unit and let everybody pay for my units. If you could add anything to your business to add income, what would it be? I would add anything that people want to do while they're doing their laundry. So people want to eat. You know, so have a restaurant in part of your business. I know it sounds crazy, but people got to eat anyway. They're going to spend money on food anyway. Like the arcade, I'm going to do that kind of like a free, sort of not free thing. I'm going to try to make it real cheap and a really good value so that they're willing to use it. I don't want to keep making my customers pay. I don't want my customers to come to my business and think, God, that costs money, that costs money. You got to give them something free. Because you make your money on the washers. If you can get them in there and happy and coming back, you're going to make money on the washers. So free dry, free arcade, I had one viewer suggest putting in exercise equipment. If you have an attended laundromat, that's a great idea. But you got to be able to wipe down that equipment, because nobody's going to want to use equipment that's all sweaty and nasty. Trust me, with the way my laundromats look, and I'll show you some pictures of them, and that's just after a couple hours, that equipment would look nasty. It'd be food all over it. It'd be bad. So that's a great idea, and I love where that viewer is going with that. But you'd have to have an attendant. So if you're going to do something like that, maybe you want to have an attendant for a while and see how that works out. But that's what you want to do. A pet wash. So I've seen some of them put vacuums out front, like car vacuums, and make them real cheap. Anything people could do to pass the time that they need to do anyway. So that's what I would add. But the restaurant's number one. The arcade, you know, that's kind of, I don't think that's a great idea. It's a good idea, but I wouldn't say that was my number one idea, okay? But I would say the restaurant would be the number one, because the big company I compete with, that's what they do. They'll put a laundromat and a Subway, a laundromat and a Potbelly's, a laundromat and a Jimmy John's. They do it all the time, and they make great money. They rent out that space to Jimmy John's, and they make money on their laundromat. Genius. Do I have any other tips who is going to be getting into the business? Just do your research. I mean, that's the big thing. And then figure out what your tolerance is for putting up with people, putting up with pain in the butts. Honestly, if you really want to know what a laundromat's like, I mean, this is one piece of advice I have for you, is go get a job at a laundromat. Be an attendant. You'll definitely learn what's going on if you work at a laundromat. You'll see it. People, when I talk to people that have worked at laundromats, they just start laughing, and then they tell the same stories I tell. Just like on YouTube, if you watch Chock full of Quarters, you watch Hot Dogging with Dan, Darcy Picks is another one. If you watch Investment Joy, I guarantee if you got all of us in a room together, we would start telling the same stories in just different areas, whether they're in Canada or they're on the East Coast. And nothing against people on the East Coast, you know, they're over there, that's fine. And then you got the Midwest people, and then you got the West Coast people, but we'd all have the same stories. So now let's see if this guy comes back. Now, I just left this laundromat after I showed you the video of this guy plugging his stuff in, right? So we're going to fast forward here. Let's see if he comes in. Okay, I'm leaving. Yep, I forgot to turn the machine on. So now I'm leaving. Let's see if this guy comes back for his camera, his phone. Now there's a customer. They're getting their clothes out. Oh, there he is. Oh. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's get some... Look, he's looking around. Look at him. Let's get the outside front. That's not it. There he is. Now this guy's gonna help. Oh, let's see what they can do together. Oh, the poor guys. Look at this. Now he's going to the bathroom. He's still trying to figure out what happened to his phone. The poor dude. He's still trying to figure it out. He's right here. He's right here where we can't see him. Oh, look, he's pacing. Look at this. He's pissed. He's looking all over the place. Look at this. He's back here in this corner looking. He's mad. He's mad. He doesn't want to show it though because he got customers in here. Oh, this is too funny, guys. I'm glad I could take you along for this. This is just unreal. Let's speed it up a little bit and see if he does anything. See if he does anything. He's still looking around. He knows it's in here somewhere. He just can't figure out where it is. He's mad. He's just mad. Look at that, he's talking about where he put it. Look at that, he's talking about where he put it. Oh, he's beside himself. Oh, he's still pissed, guys. I mean, he's still mad. Look at this. Oh, this is good. God, this is good. I wish I had sound. I really do on this system. Now his buddy's out here. He gave up on him. Now he leaves at some point here because I show up. I'm speeding it up because I don't want to see him just standing here. They got all their clothes. Gee, they're still looking for this phone, man. Oh, there he went. He went on down the street. He's done. Yep, he's done. Oh, that was too good. At least we were able to get that. That's just priceless. I mean, the people think they're going to plug that in, unplug my lights, climb above my machines, and I'm not going to find it and then just chuck it. I mean, what's wrong with these people? I mean, I just kind of laugh. I think this is funny, but hey, whatever. So, see, sometimes I do get a little revenge. Sometimes. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget, if you liked the video and want to see more of this kind of content, then hit that subscribe button. I can always use subscribers. It helps us little channels out a lot. I love it. I love the interaction. Leave a comment if you want. What do you think of this guy? You think this was fair justice, or you think I was too mean? Let me know. Till next time, take it easy.